Notwithstanding the COVID-19 pandemic, global markets have been stable in the first half of this year in anticipation of stronger growth ahead. But given current conditions, analysts are more cautious about Bursa Malaysia's prospects. In the latest issue of the Edge Malaysia Weekly, we take a look at the key market risks that may impact investor sentiment. Heads of research houses share their views on the market outlook and their top picks. We also cover the favourite themes among investors looking at a recovery play. In our City and Country pullout, the spotlight is on the residential rental market, a favourite among investors looking for passive income. But there are challenges, such as oversupply and lack of regulations and enforcement. Experts give their views on what can be done to make the rental market more sustainable and robust. In options, alarm bells are ringing over the state of marine landscapes, and among the voices calling for their protection is Fred Boyle. The former freediving champion and friend of Ulysse Nordder is now lending his ease in the oceans to marine photography and field work. He talks to us about his second home, his miraculous encounters in the marine world, and answering an urgent call for conservation. In Digital Edge, the government has put in place efforts to digitally transform Malaysia through My Digital. But the right foundational support is needed to ensure the digital ecosystem does not collapse under the strain of these ambitious targets. This includes managing the construction of hyperscale data centers, which come with their own set of challenges in terms of talent, cost, and environmental impact. And finally, in wealth, retail bonds offer a viable investment option at a time when many investors are hard put to achieve higher returns. Yet, retail investors have little access to the local bond market, despite the fact that it is one of the largest in the region. We find out what market players are saying and what can be done to give the man in the streets better access to the market. Details in this week's edition of The Edge. Save by subscribing to us for your print and/or digital copy. The Edge is also available on Apple's App Store and Android's Google Play.